Today, we're diving into a question I've been getting a lot lately. Does Airwallex accept international payments? If you're running an online business or dealing with international transactions, this is a crucial question to answer. So, let's get right into it. Before we dive into international payments, let's quickly recap what Airwallex is. It's a global financial technology platform that offers a range of services, including payment processing, currency exchange, and treasury management. Essentially, Airwallex acts as a bridge between businesses and the global financial system, making it easier to send, receive, and manage money across borders. International payments with Airwallex, a breakdown. Now, onto the main question: does Airwallex accept international payments? The short answer is yes. Airwallex is designed to handle international transactions seamlessly. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Global reach: Airwallex has a global network of partners and licenses, allowing it to operate in multiple countries and regions. This means you can send and receive payments to and from almost anywhere in the world. Multiple currencies: Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, so you can easily convert funds between different denominations. This is particularly useful for businesses that deal with customers from various countries. Easy integration: Airwallex offers flexible integration options, so you can easily integrate its services into your existing online store, payment gateway, or accounting software. This makes it convenient to process international payments without disrupting your workflow. Competitive rates: Airwallex often provides competitive exchange rates and transaction fees compared to traditional banking options. This can help you save money on your international payments. Additional considerations: while Airwallex is a great option for international payments, there are a few things to keep in mind. Compliance: to ensure compliance with international regulations, you may need to provide certain documentation, such as proof of identity and business registration. Transaction limits: there may be limits on the amount of money you can send or receive in a given period. These limits can vary depending on your account type and location. Customer support: if you encounter any issues or have questions, Airwallex provides customer support to assist you. So, to answer the question, yes, Airwallex does accept international payments. It offers a convenient and cost-effective solution for businesses that need to send, receive, and manage money across borders. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to handle your international transactions, Airwallex is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Airwallex or international payments, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial technology content.